Welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss how we are going to be solving this kind of equation which says determine the values of C that satisfy the equation let U be equal to that vector and V has been given. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, make sure that you click on the subscription button, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact me using these lines on the screen. Okay, so we start. Okay, so what these symbols mean, when you see these symbols in vectors, they mean magnitude of a vector or the absolute value of a vector, or in other words we can say you can say the resultant, okay, not really the resultant vector, let me say the magnitude of a vector. It's like the size of a vector. Yeah, all right, so this has been given as 25, and if you have a vector V which is a I plus b j plus ck, the magnitude of this vector is simply just equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared. This is the resultant of the vector. All right, from there, so using this formula we can find the values of this. So let's see what we have here. All right, so we are saying this C is multiplying with that, so the absolute value of this is just the same as C absolute value of U is equal to 25. Okay, so let's first see what I mean if I write this. I'm sure you're going to you're going to prove what I'm trying to say here. You're going to understand this better. Let me first write it the way it is. So U has been given as negative I plus 2j plus 3k is equal to 25. So the absolute value of this means that we are finding the square root of c squared, and inside there we have negative 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared. We're saying this is equal to 25. So this c squared can come out and we just remain with this inside. So we have 1 squared to give us 1, 2 squared to give us 4, and 3 squared to give us 9. So this is equal to 25. So c root this will give us 14. Root 14 is equal to 25. So the value of c is simply just 25 over the square root of 14. Let's do the same with the second question. So the second question has been given as this: the magnitude of CV is equal to 8. So V has been given there, so we can say C, then V is 2I plus 2J minus K. So finding the magnitude of this, and this is equal to 8. So this can also be written as C squared, open brackets, 2 squared plus 2 squared plus negative 1 squared. So this C can come out, saying this is equal to 8. So we have C, then square root of, we have 4 plus 1 is equal to 8. So we have C there, 4 plus 4, this will give us 8, plus 1, that's 9. So we have the square root of 9 is equal to 8. So the square root of 9 is 3. So we have C times 3 is equal to 8, which is 3C is equal to 8. So we can divide everything by 3 so that we get the solution or the value of C. So C is equal to 8 over 3. So as simple as this. So if you in case you need help in mathematics, physics, chemistry, and biology, feel free to contact me using any of these lines on the screen. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure that you subscribe now so that you don't miss the videos that I'll be posting.